My name is Peter Pauw and I lead the development of the NDC Explorer here at the German Development Institute. At the UN climate negotiations in 2013, countries decided that each and every country would submit an INDC, or Intended Nationally Determined Contribution, climate action plans, if we speak. And in these INDCs, countries would write about mitigation, but perhaps also about their ambitions and priorities in terms of adaptation, finance, and other issues. However, the guidance on these INDCs and how to formulate them were very limited. So the INDCs, because almost every country submitted one, became a cornerstone of the Paris Agreement that was concluded in 2015 in Paris, but at the same time they are very hard to compare because of their different contents and scopes. Therefore, it's extremely important to have a tool like the NDC Explorer that allows you to analyze NDCs and INDCs and compare them to what other countries write, to give you an overview of what the priorities and ambitions of countries truly are. If we go to the NDC Explorer now, it starts with a world map. In the upper right corner, you can change between two views. You can either look at the world in regions or divide them in income levels. On the left side, you can open the main navigation. You can choose categories and subcategories. The tool has 5 main categories: climate change mitigation, climate change adaptation, finance and support, planning and process, and broader picture. The latter refers to many of the other internationally important debates, such as disaster risk reduction, SDGs or Sustainable Development Goals, as well as fossil fuel subsidy reform. If you click on a subcategory, the map and its legend will automatically change. Note that if you hover over the legend, those countries that fit under a certain legend item will automatically light up. You can also search for countries. So if you type the name of a country, the tool will automatically bring you to that country. If you want to have a closer look to a country or compare countries, you can click on it. Here you find all different subcategories a country has referred to, and you can compare up to 3 countries. This button in the upper right corner brings you to the bar charts or back to the map. If you change from the map to the bar graph view, you enter the bar section exactly with the same subcategory that we're actually looking at the map before. If you want to know more about the Explorer or go back to the tutorial, you can find them on the left side of the menu. The About page explains you more about the methods we used and the people that were involved in this project. I hope this short introduction into the NDC Explorer was useful. I also hope that the tool as such is useful for your work. In case you have any questions, suggestions or comments, me and my team are always happy to help.
Starting in November 2021, the NDC Explorer will be successively updated with the party's new and updated NDCs. You can compare new and updated NDCs with older NDCs via the toggle in the left menu. Under Download Data, you can access and download the dataset of the NDC Explorer. Choose between CSV, TSV or SSV for the INDC, NDC or new and updated dataset. Have a look to the metadata or download a JSON file with all data included. You additionally find the data of the Explorer previous to the update as zip file. Feel free to use our data, but please cite us. We also would be happy to receive your feedback or link to your work.